How to draw a cute starfish. Step 1. Begin by drawing a curved line like a rounded, upside-down letter V. Notice how the edges of the V flare outward. This forms the first arm of the starfish. Step 2. From the flared edges of the first V, draw another rounded V on each side. Your starfish now has 3 arms. Step 3. Draw 2 more rounded, V-shaped lines, completely enclosing the figure. You now have the outline of a 5-armed starfish. Step 4. Draw the starfish's eyes. In the middle of the starfish, below the first arm, draw 2 ovals. Draw another oval inside each oval. Finally, draw a very small oval inside the other 2. Shade between the 2 smallest ovals, forming the pupil. Step 5. Draw the starfish's mouth. Outline the smiling mouth using 2 curved lines. Then, draw a curved line within the mouth to form the tongue. Shade the mouth outside the tongue. Step 6. Next, begin to draw the tube feet on the starfish's arms. Draw a series of ovals down the middle of each arm. Step 7. Draw a series of ovals representing tube feet on each of the starfish's remaining arms. Step 8. Detail and texture the starfish. Draw wavy, curved lines parallel to the edges of its body, as well as small circles of different sizes in various areas across the animal. Step 9. Give the starfish additional texture by drawing protrusions at the sides of the body. Use 1 or more curved, U-shaped lines for each. Erase guidelines as necessary. Step 10. Color your starfish. This animal comes in a wide range of colors. For example, the leather star is white with orange spots. The morning sun star is pink and yellow. The royal starfish is a deep purple or blue with orange edges. The Pacific blood star is bright red, and the blue sea star is, as its name suggests, blue in color. Be creative!